I gave the laptop for service with CompuAge on December 15th actually. This is the form actually I got from them. The purpose of the repair is to replace the keyboard actually. Before giving the laptop to the authorized service CompuAge in Nongambakam, Chennai, I recorded a video that keyboard only is not working. You could see in the video was taken on December 14 at 1:53 p.m. You can see to the video that the external keyboard is working and the left side of the or lighting is static. You can see to it very clearly. The lighting is static, but after the what service, the left side of the RO sync is blinking. I don't know why. This is taken on December 14th 2022 at 1:53 p.m. It was perfect. You can see to the lighting below. There is no blinking. Clearly see to it. The RO sync effects below the lighting of the keyboard is properly static. See to it once again. The RO sync is completely static. The lighting is static.